Right, here's another nice question, number 41 in section 4.6, 4.5, whatever, that asks you to factor this. So the question says, factor this. Now, it comes with a number in front of the a squared, so I know I'm going to have to use either the guess and check or the AC method. I'll maybe use AC. But this one also adds in some b's that we haven't seen before. So I've got the a squared, a, and then no a's. But now I've got some b's. When they have the b's in there, you can really treat this question just like this. Minus 17a plus 6. You can treat the question as if it were there and sort of disregard the b's. So do stuff like you've done before. Having the b's in there, all it does is when at the end, when you have things factored, you'll have a's at the front with some numbers, and at the end you'll have some numbers, but you'll also have b's at the end, and then you'll have the sign in between there. So it's just putting b's at the end. So let's try and factor this one. So I'll maybe use the AC method. So 12 times 6 is 72. So I need to get two numbers that multiply to 72 and add to negative 17. Well, 12 times 6, but that's 18. That's not it. 2 times 36, that's not it. 8 times 9. 8 times 9, that gives me positive 72, but it gives me positive 17. So negative 8 and negative 17. So those are my, no, negative 8 and negative 9. Those are my two numbers. So I'm going to replace this middle term with those. So I'll have 12a squared minus 8ab minus 9ab. So I just keep that same coefficients there, plus 6b squared. Now I'll group factor. So I can take a 4 and an a out of both of these. So that'll be 3a minus 2b. And then the next one I can take a negative 3. Oh, and they each have a b, so I can take a b out as well. So if I divide this by negative 3b, that'll be a positive 3a. And then if I divide this by negative 3b, it'll be a negative 2 and a b. Now these two are the same, so life is good. So out of this term and out of this term, there's a common 3a minus 2b, so I factor that out, and I'm left with 4a minus 3b. Now if you were to FOIL that all out, this times this, 12a squared, just to check, this times this, negative 9ab, this times this, negative 8ab, and this times this, a positive 6b squared. You'll see that when you gather those, you get what you had originally. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that factoring.